Too hard to start working out? Good. This is where you begin. No gym, no equipment. Just 10 minutes to wake up your body. We're doing 3 simple movements: squat, push, and plank. Follow along. Start with squats. Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up. Knees follow your toes. Weight on your heels. Next, push-ups. Hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower yourself with control, then push back up. Too hard? Go on your knees. Same movement, perfect form. Last one, plank. Elbows under shoulders. Hold strong. Keep your core tight. Elbows slightly in. Don't drop your hips. Don't flare your elbows too wide. Keep your body in a straight line. Squeeze your core. Don't let your hips drop. Don't lift them too high. This is where mental strength starts. 10 minutes done. That's how it starts. Do this every day. We're working for 40 seconds, then resting 20 seconds. If that's too hard, shorten the work time. If it's too easy, slow the movement down or remove the rest. This workout adapts to you. This is not about being perfect. It's about showing up. If you're a beginner, go slower. Take breaks. If you're stronger, control every rep and remove rest time. Same workout, different levels. This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself. Subscribe for more.